Today I'm gonna play Subway Surfers, but in a different way. Oh my gosh, what the hell is that? Okay, what the hell? So guys, we have an ad. Oh my god, the first ad. I don't care. I want to leave this place. Okay, sorry about that. But today we're gonna play Subway Surfers, but it's gonna be floor is lava, no floor challenge. So first I have to watch this hideous ad. Okay, so sorry about that. Okay, let's go play. And I'm actually a pro at this game. Like I'm a pro at Subway Surfers, but I've never played like the Floor is Lava. One of my friends told me there was actually a Floor is Lava game in Subway Surfers, like events in Subway Surfers. So I had to try it because I knew that I'm good, but I want to see my strength that I can actually beat this no floor lava challenge. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so I really want this character like Luna. So I have like 3, 4, 5, 6 characters. I don't know, but I have those kind of characters, and I really want this Luna. Her name is Luna, I guess. I forgot her name. I saw her once, like in events, but I've never played Floor is Lava. So yeah, okay. Kind of pretty good at it, I guess. Okay, let's go. Okay. Gotta add some more coins. This character is too good. Like, it's so cute. And it kind of looks like me because I have short hair and I have black hair and I wear these kind of clothes. Like, I don't like girly kind of clothes. To be fair, I'm not that kind of girl. I'm like a tomboy type of tomboy. That's me. Okay, difficulty increased. I need hoverboards. Okay. Whoa! I don't know what to do. It's boom. Oh no, guys! No. I have lost once, but I'm not gonna lose this time here, guys. I hope I don't. Ooh, okay. I really love the character who is Luna here. Okay, let's go. One mistake and I'm dead. Okay, gotta be really focused. Who the hell is gonna die? Okay, should I take hoverboards? But I don't want to waste them because they're literally like, I love hoverboards so much. I literally bought a lot of them. I forgot the count, but I bought a lot of them, and I know that like it's a lot. Okay, I think I'm gonna get a hoverboard. Okay, so I have like this cool type of hoverboard that I think you all love. Like, this is the best hoverboard, but I'm saving up for like the real type of hoverboards you can get in real life. So I'm saving up for that. I'm also saving up for this Luna character. So we have to okay. Ow! I literally died. Okay, so I died. No. Okay, so my score is 36,713. Okay, let's go. Wait, I don't want to go to home. Okay, enter. I have to watch, guys. What the? Okay. Let's go. Okay, so guys, I finally got rid of that ad because I didn't want it to show you guys. This is the character. It's so cute. Like, what? It kind of looks like me, to be fair. Like, I have dark hair and short hair, and I'm like a tomboy type of. I'll tell you guys, I forgot. Okay, not losing this time. Subway Surfers. This is a bit hard. To be fair, like it kind of is. Oh my god, I missed a gift. I should be cursed for that. But it's okay, guys. I got your back. Before that, hit like and subscribe. Will you please? Thank you for doing it. Thank you so much. Okay, now let's focus the game. Okay. Oh wow, whoa. No! No! Oh, I'm saved. I hate when the police comes, like, it's distracting me. Okay. Let's go. No! Oh, thank God. I was like, what? What was happening to me? I'm like Tiger Shroff right now. Just jumping in the air like. Ooh, I was actually saved. Like, what? This is kind of getting a bit hard, guys. To be fair, no lie, bro, no lie. Okay, I'm gonna get hoverboard. Ooh, that kind of scared me. Ooh. I was thinking that I would die in that scenario. Why am I even saying scenario? Oh, whoa! I survived that. Can you believe it? Okay, my focus is into the game. Okay, I think I have to get like these kind of flying shoes. Oh wow, oh my gosh, what? Okay, so my score is 81,813. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Oh my gosh, I can't. Okay, I'm gonna claim rewards. I'm gonna claim them all. One stage complete. Stage 2? What? I'm just in stage 2. Wait. Like, what? I'm in just stage 2. I think I have to watch to get this Luna. Like, I am gonna get this Luna somehow. Okay, so I'm gonna complete all the levels, I guess. So, I'm just gonna watch. Okay, we got rid of that ad thingy. Ooh, whoa. I will not waste my hoverboards because I'll only waste them when it's like the level is kind of hard and I have to face difficulties. Then I'll use these hoverboards. Otherwise, I will not waste them at all. Okay. Do I sound like an African? Like, not to lie, I kind of do. Like, I kind of do. Okay, gotta go. Whoop-woo. Jump. Oh, difficulty increases. Oopsies. I do not want to die. Right now, please, don't make me cry. Ooh, whoa. Okay. Do that. When it hurts, When it hurts so good. Oh. Okay, I do not want to be in that floor. If that was kind of real, then I don't know. Just what will I do? Ooh, whoa, difficulty increases. What? Okay, whoa. I think I just saved myself. Whoa! No! Wait, I think I'm gonna watch again because okay, I don't want to. Okay, so I remove it. Go. Sorry about that, guys. Whoa! 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 Okay. I'm gonna make sure I don't. No! So what the hell? Okay. So my score is 85,437. Okay, which stage am I? Okay, so let me see which stage am I. Forgot how to see the stage type box. So I'm in stage 2 still. So I need 3 more to get Luna. I don't wanna Akira. I don't wanna get like Akira. I don't wanna get Akira. So just gonna get Luna because she's a girl. Okay. Okay, so let's go. Gotta go. I'll be so happy if I get this character. Like, what? I will not need anything for a month rather than this. If I get this, I would not need anything, and I'm not gonna ask anything to my parents for 1 whole month. If I get this character, like in this month. Okay, I forgot what's the month right now. What's the month? Forgot, guys. Sorry. Difficulty increases, okay? Let's go. We go. Oh, I see. So the thing is that when you're in a smaller level, then there won't be anything. Like the floor is only the problem here. But when you go to second level, like a bit difficult level, then the trucks, like the trains there, just like collapse because of the lava, and in the more difficulty raises, it's like this. Look. Okay, I don't know what to say about this. Like, I don't know the name of this. Does anybody know the name of, like, I think it's a fire track or whatever that is called. Yeah, this kind of thing that just rolls over you. What? No. Oh my gosh. I hate this. Okay. So I'm in second level. What the? You gotta claim all of them. No, not the Duolingo. So let me show you what am I like saving up for. I'm gonna save up for this Luna character, as you can see her, and I'm also saving. This is my character right now. Like, let me show you. This is my character right now, but the character I want, I'm saving up for. is this girl. You need 28,000. How many zeros are there? I think there are. Just tell me how many zeros are. There are 3 zeros. 100,000, 10,000. Whoa, 10,000. 28,000. What are these called? There's just some dice, whatever that called. But I'm obsessed with this character. The character I have on me right now is this girl. So the character I had earlier, like a few months ago, like in 2024, it was this character. And way earlier that was like which character? Wait, I forgot. There was like this first this, then this, then this, then this, and okay, what the? So I'm in love with what's the character? I'm in love with this character. I love it. And I also want this, but I love this, but I also like this is the one that I really want in my heart. So let's go. I think I'm gonna do the unthinkable. Okay. I'm watching another ad. Just kidding, guys. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you loved the video. Like, oh my god, what the hell? Okay, we're just gonna remove the ads here, guys. Okay. This video is not sponsored, please. So that's all for this video. Hope you like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do that. And that's it. What I want to say. Bye, and see you in another vlog.